We might be scared of its sting, but for centuries we've admired nettle for all the good it does. This wild plant, which grows everywhere and is often overlooked, is one of the easiest superfoods to find. Its leaves, stems, roots, almost everything can be used. Nettle is naturally rich in good stuff like iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and plant silicon. It also has vitamins A, C, K, and B complex, plus complete plant proteins. Pretty amazing for a green leaf. It's enough to keep your energy up every day. Besides all these nutrients, it has polyphenols and flavonoids that help fight off bad stuff and calm down inflammation in the body. In this video, we're going to find out how nettle can help your joints, metabolism, urinary system, skin, and hair. We'll also learn how to use it at home, whether in teas, in cooking, or as a gentle treatment. As always, this is general information to help you better understand your health. If you take medicine or have any health problems, please talk to a doctor before using nettle as a treatment. A lot of people find out about nettle because of how it helps with flexibility and joint comfort. Its leaves are full of important minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium. These help our muscles and nerves work well. Nettle also has things in it that help fight swelling. When we use our joints a lot, bad stuff builds up and causes pain. The good stuff in nettle helps fight this problem. And plant-based silicon helps keep our tendons, ligaments, and cartilage strong. Many people say they feel a kind of cleanse in their heavy legs, and that the small morning stiffness goes away when they drink nettle tea regularly, or add it to soups for a few weeks. Nettle doesn't take away pain right away. It works slowly, and you'll notice the effects after a while. But if you also drink plenty of water, walk every day, and eat foods that reduce swelling, nettle can help your joints feel better faster. This is especially true if you're over 50 or getting back into exercise. Nettle is a great friend for keeping your energy steady. It's full of iron, vitamin C, and folate. These good things help make red blood cells and carry oxygen to all parts of your body. This is super important if you're always feeling tired. The magnesium in nettle helps your muscles relax and helps you deal with stress. These are two very important things for your body to work well. And when we talk about blood sugar, nettle is one of those plants that people have used for a long time to help the body use insulin better. We're not talking about medicine, but about valuable nutritional support. Whether it's in a little tea before lunch, a soup at night, or as a powder sprinkled on a veggie omelet, nettle fits perfectly into the habit of eating more fiber, plant proteins, and good fats so that sugar is absorbed more slowly. Another benefit that's not so obvious, its many minerals help stop those crazy cravings that pop up when you're tired. Those sudden desires to eat that happen when your body is missing small nutrients. If you keep using it, you'll get the results you're hoping for. More energy, fewer crashes, and that feeling of being naturally recharged. Nettle is traditionally seen as a gentle plant for drainage. Its leaves have a mild diuretic effect. They help your kidneys get rid of fluids, which can clean out your body and reduce water retention. This effect, along with its minerals, makes it a good friend during seasonal changes when your body is trying to get back in balance. As for nettle root, it's known to help with men's urinary comfort after age 50. It's often used to help with frequent or urgent peeing that can happen when the prostate is working harder. Again, this is a natural support that can go along with a healthy lifestyle, like drinking plenty of water and taking a walk at the end of the day. For women, nettle tea can help with better drainage when legs feel heavy at the end of the day. But be careful, if you take diuretics, have kidney problems, or are being treated for any urinary issues, always talk to your doctor before using nettle regularly. Nettle is one of the most mineral-rich plants we can put on our plates. For those who feel tired from functional deficiency, that kind of tiredness that isn't severe anemia, but rather low reserves, the combination of iron and vitamin C from nettle can be a huge boost, especially when it comes from a varied diet. When it comes to skin and hair, nettle is used both inside and out. On the inside, its rich minerals, zinc, and antioxidants help your cells renew themselves. On the outside, you'll find it in hair rinses. A simple, cool nettle tea after shampooing can cleanse, tone, and add volume to your hair. For sensitive skin, regularly consuming nettle, like in teas, soups, or pestos, often results in clearer skin. This is because nettle acts as a base plant, giving your body what it needs to heal and renew itself. And finally, the plant silica in nettle is great for strong nails and healthy hair. These aren't magic beauty tricks. Instead, they're benefits that build up over time when you use nettle consistently. Now, a super interesting topic, nettle and allergies. Lots of people drink tea in the spring to give them a boost during pollen season. The idea isn't to stop any treatment, but to add gentle support that helps your body react better. The antioxidants in nettle and other good things in the plant help calm down over-the-top reactions. They also give a boost to your mucous membranes, making your micronutrient levels better. Now let's get practical. As a tea, use 2 to 3 teaspoons of dried nettle leaves per cup. Let it steep for 8 to 10 minutes. Drink 1 to 3 cups a day for a treatment lasting 3 to 6 weeks. In the kitchen, take young, fresh nettle leaves and blanch them for 30 seconds. This gets rid of the stinging hairs. Then, mix them into soups, add them to omelets, risottos, or make a delicious pesto with olive oil, garlic, and walnuts. As a powder, add 1 teaspoon to soups or plant-based yogurt 4 to 5 times a week. For root decoction, especially for men's urinary comfort, seek guidance at an herb shop for the right amounts and length of use. For external use, use the cooled decoction as a rinse for your scalp twice a week. Important precautions: always wear gloves when picking nettles. Avoid roadsides and areas treated with chemicals, and always rinse them very carefully. Nettle is not recommended if you have kidney problems, swelling due to heart or kidney issues, or if you are taking diuretics without medical supervision. Be careful during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Always talk to a professional first. If you take blood thinners, diabetes medication, or high blood pressure medication, talk to your doctor to avoid any problems. Nettle is a safe plant when used correctly, but it deserves the same respect as any healthy food. Watch your energy, how well you sleep, how light your legs feel, and how healthy your skin looks. Then, change how often you use it, like 5 days a week for 3 weeks. Nettle isn't just a passing trend, it's a complete food, packed with minerals. It helps your joints, gives you energy, gets rid of extra water, helps your skin and hair, and even with seasonal changes. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and leave a comment. And share this video with someone who needs a natural boost. And tell me in the comments, how will you try nettle this week? As tea, in soup, or as pesto?